What should we say after yawning? So we know that yawning is from shaitan and sneezing is from Allah, and Allah loves sneezing. What does this mean? Yawning, when you say, and you open your mouth and you stretch out, this is from shaitan because it is a sign of laziness, and shaitan loves laziness. Now, agnostics and atheists would say, no, this is nonsense. Yawning is due to the fact that the body needs oxygen, and that's why one yawns so that he gets more oxygen in his lungs, and this would pump the blood. All of this is nonsense. Muslims believe in the Quran and the Sunnah, and the Prophet told us that yawning is from shaitan. So whenever one wants to yawn, he should suppress it. How do you suppress it? By biting your lower lip like this, closing your mouth. Or if you're unable, it's so overwhelming, you simply put your hand over your mouth and cover it, because this prevents shaitan from laughing at you or entering in your body through your mouth. So what are we required to say when yawning? Lots of the people say, "A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim." And though this sounds good, as Muslims, everything we do, we have to refer back to the Quran and the Sunnah. So seeking refuge in Allah from the Satan, the cursed Satan, is usually done before we read the Quran. It is usually done when we wake up from a nightmare and we seek refuge in Allah 3 times from shaitan. It is usually done in certain places, certain circumstances, etc. Never, ever it was reported to us that the Prophet ﷺ would seek refuge in Allah from the shaitan when yawning. Simply because the Prophet ﷺ never yawned. And this is one of the things that scholars say, that the Prophet ﷺ's special treats of his. He never yawned, and he never had an nocturnal emission, due to the fact that these both are caused by shaitan, and shaitan cannot come to him, alayhi salatu wasalam. So the most authentic opinion is that you say nothing, because if there was something to be said, the Prophet would have ordered us to say it, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. Ahmed from the